In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create input fields with auto layout and variants in Figma. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can reuse your input across your designs with minimal effort. First, open the Figma website in your browser and load the file that contains your login screen. Make sure your input field design is already in place, whatever you're using for a text field, like a container with a placeholder label or icon. With that ready, we can focus on making it smart and flexible. Select your input field container and look to the right-hand sidebar. Turn on Auto Layout. As soon as you enable it, Figma will automatically handle spacing and alignment for the contents inside your input. That means the placeholder text, icons, or helper elements adjust as you change the size of the field. Auto Layout helps your input respond naturally if you need it wider or narrower, and it keeps things consistent as you duplicate it across your form. You'll see controls for direction, spacing, and padding on the right. Use these to keep the text centered vertically, maintain even padding, and make the field feel balanced. If something doesn't move the way you expect, make sure you selected the correct container, not just the text inside it. If your field includes an icon and label, Auto Layout keeps their order predictable, and you can choose horizontal or vertical flow to match your design. As the width of the field changes on the canvas, you'll notice that padding stays consistent and text reflows, which is ideal for responsive frames and different device sizes. Now let's add variants so this input can represent different states within a single component. Click your input field, then in the right-hand panel, choose Add Variant. If your input is already a component, the Add Variant option appears right away and creates a new variant frame next to your original. Variants let you manage states like default, focused, error, or disabled in one place, so swapping states later is quick and consistent. You'll notice properties in the right sidebar that let you switch between the variants and keep them organized. This is especially helpful on a login design, where you often need the same input to behave differently depending on user interaction. That's it. By opening Figma, confirming your login design is ready, turning on Auto Layout, and adding variants, you've made a reusable, responsive input field. Use this approach across your project to keep your forms tidy, scalable, and easy to update.